Okay, in this 8th lecture I will teach you how to uh, differentiate between an odd number and an even number. Basically we'll write a code where we'll find whether a number is even or odd. The code in the comment line. Checking whether a number is even or odd. So I'll start my coding. See what I have to do. I have to take one input from the user and I'll check whether the number is even or not. That means I have to take only one input. So I'll be defining only one variable. The variable will be num. I'll ask the input from the user. Enter the number for check. Now, if num percentile 2, that means if we divide the number by 2 and we get the remainder 0. If we divide the number by 2 and get the remainder 0, then this is a otherwise I have to write in the else statement. So my program is ready. Let's check the output. I'm giving the number 56. Swift 6 is an even number. Now let's check some other number. 57. Divided on. So my program is working. So this is up to the lecture 8. Thank you.